This is from a company that reached out to me by the name of ReadyWig. I am unboxing a synthetic wig that they sent me. As you can see, it is a frontal wig. It comes with the 3 clips and it's green, y'all. This wig was very well constructed, so it's really all put together and it looks bomb. Look at it. Okay, so this wig looks bomb on camera, y'all. Like, it don't even look like it's synthetic. That's crazy. It looks so bomb. I feel like the color is really pretty. It was described as a 16-inch wig. Okay, so like I said, this is a cheap wig. So if you have like a certain event that you are trying to do, like you got a photo shoot or you got this party or something, like this wig is like a perfect wig for something like that, because it is very full and it's pretty. Like, can y'all see? I don't really have to explain that part, you know what I'm saying? But they also, ReadyWig has like all different kind of wigs on there. Like they got long wigs, curly wigs, and it's all synthetic. So like, once again, like me, if you're not into synthetic wigs, it's just like one of those things that you can get away with for the night to switch it up. Yeah, obviously, it's gonna tangle. It's definitely gonna tangle. It's now shedding. Now that's weird. Is that weird? I don't know. But this hair, like, it does tangle, obviously, because it's not your top of hair, but it's not shedding. Okay, now I just lied. Now I just got one strand. Can y'all see this? One strand. So with this wig, you definitely do not have to worry about shedding. Like, that's out the question. So you just gonna have to make sure you keep you a brush or a comb nearby so you can go ahead and get them tangles at the end. Obviously, the shorter of hair, you won't have to worry about that, but the longer you get your hair, it's gonna tangle more. So yeah, like I said, I would recommend this. I would, for a quick, easy going out party photo shoot type look. Like, yes, for that. Unless you know a lot about synthetic wigs, then you could probably do a lot more with that. But I'm gonna try some more synthetic wigs. I'm gonna try to work with this one and see what else I can do. I don't know how they hold curls. I don't know anything about that. So actually, I'm gonna work with this wig and then I can do another review. If that's what y'all want, y'all let me know down in the comments, and yeah, we can figure that out. I don't know what to say. It's very thick. That I will say, if y'all can see a little bit, y'all can see how thick it is, how it's so wanging, like what's happening. It's very dense. I don't know if that was in the description of how dense it was, but I will check that and see what's going on. If you want you a cheap wig that you're trying to just wear for the night or even for the week, you can get away for it for a week. Get away with it for a week, I think. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know about synthetic wigs. But yeah, I didn't try to bleach it just because I don't know how you're supposed to do synthetic wigs. But I feel like if I would have put a bleach on there, that would have been way too much for this wig to handle. I barely put heat on it because, once again, I know certain synthetic wigs can only take up to a certain degree of heat. And I don't know what that certain degree of heat is. So I just kind of took my hot comb and kind of just tried to, you know, flatten this up here. But as y'all can see, like, tracks is showing right here. Like, that just shows you how much parting space I do not have. But you know, it's cool. We can cover that on up, bring that back there, do a little something strange. And I ain't talking about for a piece of change, but yeah, just move that on back, you know, okay. ReadyWig.com if you would like to look into this wig. All of the details will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching.